Hey everyone! Welcome back to Somatosoft, where we simplify the complex world of software development. Today we are diving into something every developer, project manager and client should know about the SRS, or Software Requirement Specification. Let's face it, software projects can get messy. Miscommunication, scope creep or missed deadlines, all of these issues can stem from one simple problem: not having clear and documented requirements. And that's exactly where the SRS comes in. So, what exactly is an SRS? In simple terms, it's a document that describes what a software system should do and how it's supposed to work. Think of it as the blueprint or roadmap that everyone on the project follows, from the developers to the QA team and even the client. But here is the important part: it's not just for developers. An SRS helps everyone involved in the project understand the goals, the scope and the requirements, so there is no confusion later. Alright, why do we need it? Well, imagine building a house without a blueprint. It would be chaos, right? The same goes for software. Without a clear SRS, you might end up with features nobody asked for, missed deadlines, and let's not even talk about going over budget. An SRS prevents that by keeping everyone aligned. It sets clear expectations, reduces misunderstandings, and gives them something solid to work from. And trust me, having one can save you lots of time and headaches down the road. Now let's break down the must-have sections of an SRS. A good SRS typically includes purpose and overview, why this project exists in general, and what we and our clients aim to achieve. Functional requirements, what the system should do. Think of it as the features list. These define how the system should look like. Non-functional requirements. It is very important not to forget about the things like performance, security and scalability. These define how the system should behave. Use cases. Real-world scenarios showing how users will interact with the system. System architecture. A high-level view of how everything connects. Each of these sections acts like a puzzle piece together. They form a complete picture of what the final product will look like. So, who actually writes this thing? Is it the developers, the client? Well, it's usually a team effort between stakeholders, business analysts, developers, and QA engineers. The goal is to make sure everyone's voice is heard, especially the end users. After all, they are the ones who will be using the final product. Now, before we wrap up, here are some common mistakes you'll want to avoid when creating an SRS. Being too vague. Ambiguity is your enemy. Be as clear and specific as possible. Overcomplicating. Don't overload the SRS with technical and/or business jargon that nobody understands. Not involving key stakeholders. If the end users or clients aren't involved, you risk building something they won't like. Ignoring non-functional requirements. Performance and security are just as important as the features themselves. Now, how do you make your SRS a rockstar document? Here are a few pro tips. Keep it clear and simple. Less is more. Only include what's necessary. Use visuals. Diagrams, flowcharts, and mockups can make things much easier to understand. Get regular feedback. Keep revisiting the document with your team to make sure nothing gets lost in translation. So, there you have it. The SRS may not be the most glamorous part of software development, but it's definitely one of the most important. Without it, you're basically flying blind. With it, you've got a clear path to success and a happy client at the end of the day. We help our clients to create the detailed SRS during the discovery phase. Get in touch with our team to find out more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.